How's it going, guys? It's Brandon with Proje, and today we're going to be talking about how to install your ceramic coating. Install your ceramic coating. All you need is prep spray and ceramic coating. Prep spray to decontaminate the surface, and ceramic coating to ceramic coat your car. But if you have extra time and you like putting the extra elbow grease into your ride, then we recommend you clay bar, polish, and then prep your car. So you're going to want to use Proje's clay lube and clay bars available at projeproducts.com to first clay the surface. Then after that, you're going to take leveling DA MF polish with your Proje DA polisher, which is a dual action polisher. Unlike rotary polishes that can potentially burn your paint, a dual action polisher cannot burn your paint. It's very easy to use and anyone can do it. So you take your polisher, you go ahead and cut with leveling DA MF polish, and then you polish with Revive final polish. After you've done that, then you're going to want to wash your car. We recommend using ceramic soap by Proje, available at projeproducts.com, and then taking prep spray and using it to decontaminate your surface, which is ultimately going to prepare your surface for ceramic coating. But for this example, we're going to take prep spray first. Go ahead and grab your bottle. Grab a microfiber towel. We recommend our edgeless and tagless towels available at projeproducts.com. So you're going to take your prep spray and simply spray on the surface, and you're going to just wipe everything away so you don't have any waxes or oils on the painted surface. Okay, now that we've prepped our surface, now all we have to do is take our ceramic coating, take our applicator pad, and come to our prepped surface. We're only going to drop just a little bit here on our applicator pad because a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just filling up my pad here. So now I know my surface is prepped and there's going to be nothing between the paintwork and the ceramic coating. So now I just go ahead and simply apply like so. You can do crosshatch, you can do left, right, up, down, doesn't matter. Super easy to apply. No crazy restrictions on how to apply it. Just put it where you need it, and that surface will be coated. Okay guys, we prepped our surface, we coated our surface, and now we're going to set a 2-minute timer to let the coating bond to the surface, and in 2 minutes we're going to come back and we're going to wipe away the high spots. And then after that, we're going to set a 20-minute timer, and that's going to, after the 20 minutes, we're going to be able to do our hydrophobic test. Okay guys, we prepped our surface, we coated our surface, we waited 2 minutes, and now we're going to wipe away the high spots. As you can even see, you could see when you do it yourself, you'll notice that the water in the formula is actually separating from the bonded ceramic coating. Pretty cool. Now we're just going to wipe away the high spots. Super easy, super simple. Just go ahead and start wiping away. Okay, so let's recap, guys. You prepped your surface, you ceramic coated your surface, you waited 2 minutes for it to bond, you wiped away the high spots, and now you're left with a beautiful, shining, gleaming, ceramic coated surface. Now I'm going to set a 20-minute timer, and in 20 minutes we're going to come back. We're going to do our hydrophobic test. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes, and now we can do our hydrophobic test. Check it out. So just like that, you can see everything's falling off the surface because your car is protected by ceramic coating. What does that mean for you? That means no bird poop, tree sap, dirt, grime is actually coming into contact with your paint. It's coming into contact with your ceramic coating, which is falling right off of. So when you drive on the freeway, the water just flies right off, the bird poop, the tree sap, all that stuff just comes right off and it doesn't damage your paint. So now, not only is your paint hydrophobic, but it has extra shine, extra gloss, and now you don't have to wait weeks to book an appointment to get a professional ceramic coating done. Now you can do it yourself for pennies on the dollar with this bottle right here, ceramic coating by Proje. Do it yourself on any day, any time. Super easy to do and get some great results. Okay guys, so now you see with your own eyes just how easy it is to install ceramic coating by Proje yourself. Get yours at projeproducts.com.